Hello and welcome back to Craftiviti channel, and for today's video we will be talking about the yellow craft box. Yellow craft box is our craft to go in one box that includes all the complete instructions along with the required materials for crafting. For this box, you are able to make your own name stone. Crafting is not as complicated as it sounds, as our yellow craft box are suitable for kids, fun and suitable for family and friends, and you are able to scan for video demos. With this yellow craft box kit, you can turn your name into stones. This kit contains 1 kg worth of casting powder, which can cast over 100 letters. These stone letters can be painted and can also be used to absorb aroma oils or essential oils. Here's a video demonstration on how you can use all the materials inside to make your own name stone.